It's another exciting tutorial yet again on this platform, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can convert a static picture into a motion video. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. The first step in this tutorial is to go to Dreamlab to generate our video, our image. So here in Dreamlab, I will paste in my prompt and then click on select the style I want. I want to use a creative style. So I'll leave it on creative. There are several other styles you can choose from, but I prefer to use creative. Then my aspect ratio, I'll leave it at 16:9. I don't have any reference image. I would have added that if I do have one. And then click on create to generate my image. So my image is generating. Here I have my image. I have 4 of them. If I want to generate more, or assuming I don't like any of these images generated, I can always click on, create. So you can regenerate another set of images. But I think I like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one, download it. Then head over to PixVerse. PixVerse is a platform where you can convert your static image into a video, just like you can see from the screen. So I'm scrolling down now to find the effect I want to use. So I'll keep scrolling until I find the exact effect suitable for the kind of video I want to make. So here is the effect I want to use. I'll just click on Go Create. If I click on Go Create, it will show up this prompt here. And then I can now add my image. So I'll click on it to add the image we just downloaded from Dreamlab. Open it. With my image added, I already have a description, because the description here is a description of this image, of this video. So I'll just go ahead and click on create. And then it will generate my video. Here is our video. From the image you selected, this is what we have. So this is a very simple and straightforward process. Just upload your image and then click on, of course, you have to have an effect that you want to use. Or if you don't have an effect, a particular effect, you can always describe what you want to create. Assuming I don't want to use that effect and I want to describe a different thing that I want to create, I can always describe it in this box by deleting this one here. I can delete this prompt here and then give my own description of the content I want to create, and that's just it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. So please, if you're yet to subscribe, ensure to subscribe. Drop a like if you like this tutorial, and also a comment. If you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment box. And if you are yet to subscribe, like I mentioned earlier, you can always subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop a fresh tutorial. See you in my next tutorial, and bye for now.